Sunday on Sunday Night Lyme. People, what are your views on the death of the 9-year-old girl? Do you think justice was served? What are your thoughts? Trinidad and Tobago limits Vibes Cartel movement in the country. What can go so? KSAMC to rename Ashoka Road in Waterhouse to Shelley and Fraser Price Drive. Now isn't this something to talk about? Plus, remember, bartender Big Bad Cookout and After Party, we're at the foot of the hill. Just look out for the menu and make sure to start decide what you want from now, you know. Tell a friend for tell a friend. August 16, where Bartender Cookout is the place to be. All this and more on Sunday Night Lyme, 8 p.m. on Expressions JA YouTube channel. See you Sunday.